Welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 continues to solidify its position as one of the most reliable and versatile full-size pickup trucks on the market. With a perfect balance of power, performance, and advanced technology, the Silverado 1500 is designed to meet the demands of both everyday drivers and those who rely on their trucks for heavy-duty tasks. Under the hood, the 2025 Silverado 1500 offers a range of powerful engine options. The 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 delivers impressive torque and fuel efficiency, making it a popular choice for those prioritizing economy without sacrificing performance. For drivers seeking more power, the 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8 engines provide robust towing capabilities and acceleration, ideal for hauling trailers or heavy loads. Additionally, the Silverado offers a 3.0-liter Duramax turbodiesel engine, known for its exceptional fuel economy and torque output, making it a standout option for long-distance towing. Chevrolet has also made significant strides in enhancing the interior of the 2025 Silverado 1500. The cabin is spacious and refined, with high-quality materials and a design that prioritizes comfort and functionality. An updated infotainment system features a large touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Higher trims come with luxury features such as leather upholstery, ventilated seats, and a premium Bose audio system, elevating the driving experience to a new level. In terms of capability, the Silverado 1500 remains a leader in its class. Depending on the configuration, it boasts a maximum towing capacity of up to 13,300 pounds, making it suitable for both recreational and professional use. The truck bed is designed with durability in mind, featuring high-strength steel and innovative features like the multi-flex tailgate, which offers multiple configurations for easier loading and unloading. The available 360-degree camera system and trailer assist technologies further enhance the truck's usability, making towing and maneuvering more effortless than ever. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Silverado 1500, with a suite of advanced driver assistance features that come standard on most trims. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. These technologies not only provide peace of mind but also make the Silverado one of the safest trucks in its segment. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation, power, and reliability. Whether you're looking for a dependable workhorse or a comfortable daily driver, the Silverado 1500 offers a well-rounded package that caters to a wide range of needs, making it a top contender in the competitive truck market. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.